Dear children, in this session we are going to discuss, this is the second module actually, discuss about MySQL. I had already given the name MySQL. MySQL is one of the example software for DBMS, for Relational Database Management System, RDBMS. And it is freely available from the website www.mysql.org. From that website you can easily download and install in your system by giving a password and a username. In MySQL, informations are stored in the form of databases and tables. It provides the features that support secure environment for storing, maintaining and accessing the data. It is fast, reliable, scalable, alternative to many commercial RDBMS today. It created and supported by MySQL AB company based on Sweden. This company is now subsidiary of Sun Microsystem. On April 2009, Oracle Corporation acquires Sun Microsystem. The chief inventor of MySQL was Michael Wedenes. MySQL has been named after Monty's daughter My. The logo of MySQL is a dolphin. The name of that dolphin is Sakila. My dear children, all these are a few information about MySQL software. MySQL is a relational database software and it is one of the example for it. Our structured query language is executed through MySQL. Like MySQL, we are having many other softwares like PostgreSQL, Perl and Oracle. Many other softwares we are having for database management system nowadays. Let me discuss about the server and client architecture of MySQL. The MySQL database system refers to the combination of server and the database. It operates using client-server architecture in which server runs on the machine containing the database and the client connects to the server over a network. If two or more computers are connected together and your MySQL software can be shared among all other computers. MySQL is a multi-user database system, meaning several users can access the database simultaneously while it is having a networking. The server, that is the MySQL server, listen for client request coming in over the network and access the database as per the requirements and provide the requested information to the client. My dear children, we are all the clients. Consider one of the example of Facebook. Many of the million of users are there. How each users get unique identification and uniquely posting their own wishes, their own post, and that can be retrieved whenever they requires. It is only because of database concept. The client are the programs that connect to the MySQL server and send requests to the server and receive the response of the server as a database. The client may be SQL prompt or it may be front-end programming which connect to the server programmatically, like connecting to MySQL using Python language and Java or any other language. That means Python database can be connected to a Python or a Java based programming language. Now we can discuss about the features of MySQL. It is having many features like speed. It runs in a faster way because it uses only Unicode technique. Cost, it is freely available from the network. Then query language support, it support structured query language. Portability, that can be installed and operated in any of the platform like Windows, Apple, whatever the platform. It doesn't depends upon the platform from where we are executing. Then data type means it support numbers, characters, booleans, many other data types as Python, which is very similar to Python data types. Then other features are security. MySQL offers security and using a username and password. The scalability and limits. It can store millions of records. That depends upon, as I said before, that it storing capability decides based on the system capability, the hard disk capability. We can also connect the MySQL with a Python using a driver software. Then localization, the server can provide error messages to the client in many language. Then client and tools, provide several client and utility programs like MySQL dump and MySQL admin, GUI tools like MySQL administration and inquiry browsers. All these are tools and kits available in MySQL. As you are all beginners, we are not supposed to study about all these things, but you should have to study about some features. 10 to 11 features you can recognize and remember. If it is asking in the question paper, you should have to write at least 10 features. I think you're all clear about what are the features of MySQL. Thank you.